Hi, Emily. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm doing very well.
Do you enjoy cooking, Emily?
Yes, I love cooking at home.
What's your favorite dish to make?
I love making homemade pasta dishes.
That sounds delicious. Do you make pasta?
Yes, I make pasta from scratch.
Wow. That must take some time.
Yes, but it's fun and rewarding.
Do you add sauce to your pasta?
Yes, I make a tomato basil sauce.
That sounds amazing. I love basil.
Yes, it adds great flavor to dishes.
Do you cook often, Emily?
Yes, I try to cook every day.
What other dishes do you enjoy cooking?
I also enjoy cooking stir-fry meals.
Stir-fry is healthy and quick to make.
Yes, I love using fresh vegetables.
What vegetables do you usually use?
I use broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers.
Do you add any protein, Emily?
Yes, I sometimes add chicken or tofu.
Tofu is a great vegetarian option.
Yes, it absorbs flavors really well.
Do you follow recipes or experiment?
I often experiment with different spices.
That's fun. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy adding chili flakes.
I love spicy food too. Adds excitement.
Yes, spicy dishes are always exciting.
What's your favorite spicy dish to make?
I love making spicy chicken curry.
That sounds delicious. Do you use coconut milk?
Yes, it makes the curry creamy and smooth.
Do you eat it with rice?
Yes, I always serve curry with rice.
I enjoy curry too. What spices do you use?
I use turmeric, cumin, and coriander.
Those spices make curry taste so rich.
Yes, they give it a deep flavor.
Do you enjoy baking as well?
Yes, I bake cakes and cookies sometimes.
What's your favorite thing to bake?
I love baking chocolate chip cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies are always delicious.
Yes, they're everyone's favorite treat.
Do you add anything extra to them?
Sometimes, I add walnuts or almonds.
That's a great idea. Adds crunch.
Yes, it makes the cookies more interesting.
Do you bake cakes for special occasions?
Yes, I bake cakes for birthdays.
What kind of cakes do you bake?
I usually bake chocolate or vanilla cakes.
Do you make the frosting too, Emily?
Yes, I make buttercream frosting from scratch.
That sounds delicious. I love homemade frosting.
Yes, it's better than store-bought frosting.
Do you have a favorite dessert?
I love making and eating cheesecake.
Cheesecake is so creamy and rich.
Yes, it's my favorite dessert to make.
Do you add fruit toppings to your cheesecake?
Yes, I like adding strawberries or blueberries.
Fruit toppings make it even more delicious.
Yes, they add sweetness and freshness.
Do you try new recipes often, Emily?
Yes, I enjoy finding new recipes online.
That's fun. What have you tried recently?
I tried making homemade sushi last weekend.
Wow. That's impressive. Was it difficult?
It was tricky but very fun to make.
Did you use raw fish in your sushi?
No, I used smoked salmon and avocado.
That sounds like a tasty combination.
Yes, it was very fresh and light.
I'd love to try making sushi too.
You should. It's a fun experience.
What else do you enjoy eating, Emily?
I love trying different international cuisines.
Me too. What's your favorite cuisine?
I love Italian food, especially pasta.
Italian food is delicious. I love pizza.
Yes, pizza is one of my favorites too.
Do you make pizza at home?
Yes, I sometimes make homemade pizza dough.
That's great. Do you add many toppings?
Yes, I add mushrooms, peppers, and cheese.
Homemade pizza must taste so good.
Yes, it's fresh and you can customize it.
Do you ever grill food, Emily?
Yes, I enjoy grilling vegetables and fish.
Grilled vegetables are so healthy and tasty.
Yes, they're easy to make and delicious.
Do you have a favorite grilled dish?
I love grilled salmon with lemon.
That sounds delicious. Lemon adds great flavor.
Yes, it makes the salmon taste fresh.
I enjoy grilling chicken with herbs.
That's a great idea. Herbs add flavor.
Yes, I use rosemary and thyme.
Those herbs go well with chicken dishes.
Yes, it makes the chicken taste savory.
Do you ever try new cooking techniques?
Yes, I recently tried slow cooking.
That's great. What did you make?
I made beef stew. It was delicious.
Slow cooking makes the meat very tender.
Yes, it was soft and flavorful.
I want to try slow cooking too.
You should. It's easy and tasty.
I'll look for some recipes online.
Let me know if you find good ones.
I will. Let's cook together sometime.
That sounds like a fun idea, Emily.
Yes, I'll plan something for next weekend.